Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Share Share. Now, if you are new to the channel, you come to the right place. It's all about decor and DIY ideas, plus all of my pregnancy updates, which I am super excited about. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. I'm going to show you how to make an anthropology-inspired boho chic tassel garland that you saw in the holiday special. So let's get started. Okay, so if you haven't been following me on Instagram or Facebook yet, then this is probably the first time you'll be hearing this on the channel. I've got big news. I just finished a project called How to Holiday with Jordin Sparks and Friends. Yes, you heard it right, Jordin Sparks from American Idol, which I am like fangirling right now. Oh my gosh. So cool, right? Jordin has an amazing new digital series called Heart of the Batter, which you can find on YouTube as well as Facebook. And there she's sharing all these great recipes that were passed down from her grandmother, plus a little sneak peek into her everyday life. I'm a huge fan, especially because she has a new baby and I've got a baby on the way, so we're like connected. So we've got Jordin Sparks, who's hosting the holiday special, plus the biggest YouTube stars are coming together for this special event. Okay, let me break it down for you. We've got Yolanda from How to Cake It. How to Cake It. My BFF, Sarah Lynn from The Domestic Geek. The ultimate brunch king, Matt from Fidel Gastro. And the vegan queen, Lauren from Hot for Food. What I am really proud of is the fact that all of us created, hosted, produced, you name it. We did everything. And it's similar to what we would do for our YouTube channels, but all of that got put together into this 1-hour TV special, which aired on Food Network Canada on Saturday, December 1st. So amazing, right? And of course, I would not leave you hanging. I've included all of the links in the description below so you can catch up on all of the videos and get inspired for your holiday entertaining. For my part in the holiday special, I really wanted to create a boho chic vibe. It's really reflective of my style this year, and I've got a ton of great tips that are affordable, easy, and have tons of impact. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite DIYs that I created for the holiday special, but I figured, you know what, I'm gonna save it for all of the Simply Share Share family, and I really feel like you could use this all year round. Tassels add a fashionable detail to basically anything. Using yarn and a few clever knots, you can make your own tassels at a fraction of the cost. We're taking it a step further and we are going to create a colorful tassel garland perfect for the holidays. Here's what you'll need. Lots and lots of colorful yarn. The more variety, the better. A garland, now I'm going to be using this mini pom-pom garland, but you can also use rope or an evergreen garland as well. Next, you'll need some wooden beads, clear tape, really sharp scissors. Before you get started, you're going to have to do a little prep work. So take your yarn, I'm choosing this fuchsia color, and cut 2 lengths, one at 12 inches and one at 6 inches. So just give yourself some slack, and then you're going to start wrapping the yarn around your hand at least 12 times. That's if it's chunky yarn. If it's thin yarn, go at least 20. You want it to be nice and full. I think that's about right. Once you're done, just cut it off. Take your 12-inch piece, thread it through the loops, and you are going to center it and then tie a double knot. 1, 2. Doesn't look like much, but it will really soon. So just flatten it out and then place it on top of the 6-inch piece around 3/4 of an inch down from the top. Tie another double knot. Cut off any excess, and then the next part you're going to want to cut through the loops that are at this end of the tassel. So just take your scissors, put it through, and snip. At this point, there's going to be some pieces of yarn that are a little too long, so just give it a haircut. The last little detail, because I love details, is to add a wooden bead to the top of your tassel. Here's a little tip to get this yarn through this tiny hole. Take a piece of clear tape, doesn't have to be big, and wrap it around the ends of the yarn. really, really tightly. And now the yarn should go through the bead, just like that. Easy peasy. And once you've made at least 20 of these, attach all of your tassels to your garland. You are going to have something that looks like this. Pretty cool, right? This could just be a wrap. See ya later. Isn't that tassel garland adorable? Wouldn't it be fun to just get all of your girlfriends together, have a party, maybe with a glass of wine? For me, it would be a mocktail, but it would just be such a fun project to do. So of course, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see more easy holiday ideas like this one. I will definitely make sure to put that into my next video. If you love all of these simple and affordable holiday ideas, then you'll definitely want to check out the Food Network Canada YouTube page. There you'll find the How to Holiday with Jordin Sparks and Friends playlist. All of the clips are there from all of my BFFs. And I have to say that I have tasted every single one of their dishes and they are yummy. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram or my Facebook to see what I'm up to. And of course, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And I will be back next Thursday with a brand new video helping you get things done simply. See you next time.